I agree with him. There are all sorts of things you can show, and you don't need, I mean, that's the law, you don't need their permission, but if you have little things about them that you would like to show, if you have their permission, it might make the difference. Now, to Dr. King, it's not going to make any difference. It's good or it's bad, and people are going to watch it and say, I love it or I hate it. But if it's about Mr. Watch, who's a public figure, if you have something really, truly unique, I've been involved in the Kaylee Anthony case in Orlando, and if you have the rights to Jesse Grund, who's my former client, who's a former fiance, then there may be something there that would make people watch a film that's about Jesse Grund still showing Casey and Kaylee Anthony. But for the most part, I agree with Andy. You don't want their rights if there's enough out there about them. But if there's not enough there, then you want their rights if you can get them. And they can say no, and they can still go make your film. But if you get their rights, you're going to protect yourself a little bit more from a lawsuit. And no one can ever prevent lawsuits. You can just try to narrow down the issues and be able to defend them. Because if you make money and there is publicity, there is going to be a lawsuit or more. I mean, that's just the way it is. And we lawyers need to make a living, so we're delighted. You're supposed to laugh at that.
There is, you know,